Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you DSTV Namibia, their customer care number. So the number will be on your screen. In case you're having any problem or you want to activate a new DSTV decoder and you like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen, but for you to check their current number, it can change from time to time. All you got to do is to pick up your DSTV remote, press on the DSTV logo, which is the blue button, and it's going to take you to the menu. From the menu page, use the arrow left and right keys and then look for help. So when you find help, come to the first option, which is the contact us. Press OK on it and move to the third option, which is the call option over here, and then use the arrow down key to scroll down and then search from the list the Namibian number. Alright, so there you have it. The number will be on your screen as well. +26461, and it's going to be on your screen. So you have to get enough airtime before calling them for help. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate, so just be mindful of that before calling them. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, you got to do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.